Hello guys, it's a 3 a.m. video. No, I'm just kidding. It's not even 3 a.m. Well, we'll get home at 3 a.m. and see what happens. Because, I'm going gardening with my dad. And we're at a construction site right now. If you guys, you live in Oahu, the state here, in Oahu, if you see the church, that's where we're gardening. This is our new church. Oh, it's gonna be dark. Let's see. Look. It's very creepy and dark. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be exploring it. And hold on. I need a flashlight. Hold on. It's dark. Let me turn on the light so you can see. Okay. Where is that flashlight? The heck? No light. Hey Branson, is there any light?
I can use the phone as a light.
No. We're gonna be exploring.
Oh yeah, that one.
I'm not
Painting
playing.
that one probably. I might start painting by
What?
next.
Give him my phone.
I don't have it.
You have it.
This is my phone, Dad. I don't know.
Hey.
I thought you have it.
No, you have it.
No, you did.
It's being taped now.
I gave it to
did.
you. You didn't
I
give
gave
it.
it to you.
What?
Give it to you.
Well,
I got over in the front.
Brasson, you check if you are empty. Hold on, guys. We're gonna take a brief moment. We're gonna have a lot. We're gonna, find a light source. So you can just, skip if you want to. Okay, there. Okay, and yeah, we found a light. All right, we're gonna be, walking around, bored, Let's see what happens. All right, how do I get this thing turned on? And I'm basically using a phone as my recorder. And there's a couple of adults. Dad won't mind. I don't think he will. And my brother's in this video today. And
I am so excited for this.
yeah. Oh, and guys, and I'm not posting that much. Well, whoever watches this video, I hope it gets a lot of views. I hope. I haven't really, got that much views. Dang, it's dark. It's really dark. I wish I had a better flashlight, but no. We're gonna be exploring. There's the chapel. What the heck? Something's in there. If you guys hear something, then, let me know what it is. Because, there's something in there, and I want to, just walk around and explore. There's light. That's weird. This isn't a 3 a.m. video. It's not supposed to be creepy like that. Or probably some construction workers are still working. Oh, and today's an unlucky day for me. I just got 2 of my teeth pulled out. Well, I haven't been, taking care of my teeth. Branson, you want to explore the church, or should we just walk around? And
I want to explore the church.
no, you go do that. I don't want to get in trouble. I'm, a troublemaker.
I
Because
am in trouble.
Well,
How about we walk around.
Yeah, let's go walk around. I don't want to get in trouble. The reason why people shoot, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck is that? I know you guys can't see, but what the heck? I gotta turn it. What the? Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Head back, and watch your step. I gotta watch my step. Shoot. You know, I thought something was chasing us. I saw something black run towards us. You know, it's very creepy hanging out at a construction site, just wandering
This
around.
church is really bad.
No, it's not. It's just being built. And watch out for puddles. And being at a construction site, you know, it's very creepy. At night, you know, not in the day. All you have to do is work, build, I don't know. Oh, shoot. I wonder what it's gonna be like around the church. Like, if there's gonna be like parking lots, you know, grass, a playground, because it's a really large area. Man, it's large. Wow, it's really dark. It's dark, old, creepy. Well, not that creepy. It's creepy to Branson because he's, you know, only like 6 and I'm like 9. And I shouldn't be doing videos at this age. But who cares? Right, Branson? Who cares if I do video at this age?
This video is new.
Yep. You know, it's been 7 minutes and, you know, there's nothing.
It's a new
There's-
one by Church's Build.
Oh my gosh, Branson. I hate it when you don't know what you're talking about. Okay, let's explore. There's some workers, some ghosts trying to chase me. I don't know what it is. Okay, there's the trailer. We used to hang out over there now because, you know, every Thursday I go with him, but not every Thursday. Only when I'm on, you know, break or it's a holiday. Yeah, that's when, you know, I go guarding the church. That's why it's called guarding. We have to guard the church. I don't know why. I don't know what happened to our spot. Well, looks like we transferred over here. Branson, do you think we should explore?
No.
Okay.
Because that one is, we can't go inside. We're in trouble.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be in trouble and we're gonna be scaredy cats. Because, you know, as you know, little kids are afraid of nightmares. I'm definitely a little kid. You want me to go in there and explore? And
No, because you're in trouble.
no, I'm not.
Fine.
I'm not gonna get in trouble.
Fine, you should go inside.
No, I shouldn't. I'm gonna get in trouble. But I'm not in trouble. That's a good thing. Yo, if you guys, if you know, one of these YouTubers explore this construction site, I would, you know, it would be, you know, pretty, how do I say this? It would be pretty great if you explored the church and tell me about it, okay? And please do a video on this, you know, like, you know, post it to me because, you know, I want to know what's inside the church. And I think there's one thing already. It's either a black ghost or just a shadow of us because I saw something chasing us. Well, this is how it's like in the construction site. See the concrete, dirt piled up. I don't know why. Probably, you know, I don't know. Okay. Yep, normal things. Except in that church. I want to see what's in there. But oh, shoot. Oh, it's just a light. It fell off. Okay. I know I would, make my videos this, short, but I don't feel like it. I'm just going to keep, exploring around. And I know this video is going to be boring, It's just me exploring, I want to experience something here, so I can finally, not get bored of it anymore and just, the one thing that I'm not bored of is hanging out. I'm hanging out with all these adults and my brother, even though he's weird. I don't usually hang out with him. I'm pretty fine. I'm pretty fine with it, but, not in that church. What the heck? Oh, I thought it was a, ghost train or something.
What?
Because, I am hallucinating stuff and, yeah. Because, I watch too much scary videos like Top 15, Chills, Mr. Nightmare, Llama Arts. Well, Llama Arts doesn't, tell a story. He just, listens to the story and, animates it in like a, I don't know. But his drawings are very good. You should go check him out. Check all the super horror people. Okay? Check them out. Mr. Nightmare, he just tells fake stories. Sometimes they're real and sometimes they're not. Top 15 is really serious. And, all the stuff he is are real. He says are real. Yeah. Wow, it's been 12 minutes. Look at that. What the heck? Still going? I thought, construction workers don't work at night. They work in the day and then, get some rest and then work back in the day. Get some rest, work in the day, get some rest, work in the day. Why are they working here at night? Maybe, there's someone shifting to protect. And we are protectors as well, guarding the church. Maybe there's like a security, in the church. Because I've seen a lot of securities in churches. They're watching us. Maybe he's, guarding it. Well, I'm really scared right now. Please, someone who lives in Oahu, who's popular and does videos, please post, a video of you going into the church. See what it's like in the church. And, what have you experienced? Just, tell me in the comments or what, whatever. And I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Because, I'm weird. I am, weird. I don't really know what to say in videos much. So that's why I don't... What the heck? Oh my gosh, I heard hammering. Is someone, did they get hammered? But I'm not really gonna laugh about their death. What the heck? These look like, bombs from like World War II. You see that they're white, but, they're not wrapped. They're just white and have dynamites inside. And what are you doing?
Doing this?
What the heck is that? Did you fart? Branson, you have issues. You're not supposed to fart in videos.
They did not fart.
Yes, you did. Stop lying.
They did not fart. I didn't hear the fart sound.
I did. It was from you. And I smell it too. Smells
What?
stinky.
Not me.
And dang it! Oh, my phone's on low battery. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna have to end the video here and charge my phone. Bye guys. I'll post a part 2 on these.